Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? All right, I'm glad you landed on my page, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? You're here probably because you're looking for a way to make some extra income from home. So you landed in the right direction. You're on the right page, guys, because I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and I show you how to make money online, okay? So today I'm going to show you actually what came in the mail. I just picked all this stuff up from the post office and I just wanted to show you I actually practice what I preach. If you've been following me, you know that. That's how I got the name the Postcard Diva. All right, so I'm going to show you real quickly. Here's a stack of letters, okay, for six-figure stamp club, okay? And you see how it goes all the way down here? There's my cover letter, okay? And then we got the 30, because I work these together, okay? 30-day success formula. Got to get these out this week. And then over here, and I have my six-figure stamp club letters in different colors, so they stand out when they open those envelopes. But check out my custom envelope right here too. If you look, I have a custom envelope, and this is going to make them open the package, okay? So when you join me, I'll give you the contact for the custom envelopes, okay? So this is what we got, guys. Right here, I have a full color postcard for 30-day success formula. I'm not going to show you the other side, but check it out. When you join me, if you want that, I'll give you that. I also created some black and white ones on yellow stock paper or whatever paper you want it on. You can do that, but this one is in full color, okay? This is for 30-day success formula. I'm gonna do one for six-figure stamp club too, okay? So this is what we got here, and I've got 1,000 of these custom envelopes. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you that. Hang on. Okay. So if you come back here, you see this box? Can you see this? Let's show you. This is just strictly envelopes, okay? The six-figure stamp club. You see this? They separated it because it's probably 500 on this side, I'm pretty sure, and then 500 on this side, okay? And this is for my 6x9 custom envelopes, guys. So this is serious. I take this serious, and that's why I'm doing this business, and I actually mail, okay? So if you're interested in joining my team, the Mail Order Freedom team, okay? Get in touch with me. I'm going to give you leads if you come in at the 30-day success formula. If you come in at level 2, okay? Come in at level 2. Let's flip it over so you can see it. If you come in at level 2 or higher, you're going to get 200 leads, okay? That's how you get leads. And if you come in at the stamp club, the six-figure stamp club, if you come in at the blue level, you're going to get 200 leads. If you come in at the black level, you're going to get 300 leads from me. The company's going to give you that, but I'm going to match what they're giving you. If you come in at the pearl level, they're going to give you 1,000. I'm going to give you 1,000, okay? So that's how this is going to go. So make sure you join my team to get these resources I have, okay? I'm going to put the link below, guys. I'm done. I just want to show you. Okay, this is the real deal, okay? So go ahead and click that link below and join these programs, Six-Figure Stamp Club and the 30-day success formula, because you need leads, okay? You're going to get the leads from Six-Figure Stamp Club, and then you're going to mail to those people your 30-day success formula, and you're going to mail that letter right there, all those letters that go with the Six-Figure Stamp Club, okay? All right, guys, till next time, I will see you on the next video. Okay, you guys have a blessed day.